In this video, I will explain another Microsoft Excel function which surely will help you while you work. So don't miss any part of this video as it will be skillful for you. Let's begin. This video will show you how to utilize the IMSQRT function in Excel. In Excel, a complex number, I is calculated for a mathematical number with real and imaginary coefficients. It is known as the coefficient of I or j in mathematics, iota. I equals square root of -1. Square root of negative number is not possible. So for calculation purpose, square root of -1 is named as imaginary and called iota, I or j. For calculation of some terms, like this, equals 2 plus square root of -25, equals 2 plus square root of -1 times 25, equals 2 plus square root of -1 times square root of 25, equals 2 plus square root of -1 times 5, equals 2 plus 5i. This here equation is a complex number, I having two different parts called real and imaginary part. The coefficient of iota, I, which is 5, is called as imaginary part, and the other part 2 is called the real part of the complex number. Complex number, I is written in the xiy format. Complex square root of a complex number, open parenthesis, x plus iy, is given by square root of xiy, equals square root r cosine, open parenthesis, /2, close parenthesis, plus I, square root of r, sine, open parenthesis, /2, close parenthesis. As you can see, 1. X and y are the coefficients of the real and imaginary part of a complex number, I 2. R is equal to the sum of the square of the real and imaginary part. R equals square root of x squared plus y squared. Cos and sine are the trigonometric characters, whereas equals to the inverse tangent of y over x equals tangent -1, open parenthesis, y over x, close parenthesis. The IMSQRT function returns the complex square root of the complex number, I having both real and imaginary part. This was all from my side to guide you about this tricky Microsoft Excel's built-in function. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.